Meteorologist Jordan West joining us with that.
That's right. We're tracking a pretty heavy downpour earlier. Luckily, that has downgraded to just a few showers on the radar. Even those are starting to dissipate really quickly. But the main story is hot and humid, feeling like the mid-90s. Many spots that haven't seen the rain feeling like the triple digits. So make sure you stay hydrated, especially over these next couple of days. But here's the radar picture. Like I said, we're not really tracking much at this point, but there was a pretty hefty downpour over the metro area earlier today. A heat advisory is in place through 7 p.m. Once again, stay hydrated. It just means it's going to be warmer than usual as a heat wave continues to build in. But the rest of this evening will drop to the 80s by 8 o'clock, and eventually we'll work our way in the upper 70s by the time we wake up to early tomorrow morning. But today and tomorrow, first warning impact days. A heat advisory is likely tomorrow as the heat index climbs over 105 and could even get up to 108 degrees or more. We're mostly dry Sunday and Monday, and then storms a little bit more likely as we get into the middle of next week. But tomorrow morning, we'll feel like the upper 70s and low 80s, and by the afternoon, we're back to triple-digit heat. We kind of repeat that same story over again Monday and to Tuesday, but the reason we're so warm this time of year is that heat wave I mentioned. In fact, let's call it more of a heat ridge because that's this circle you see here on this map, and it's building right over New Orleans and right over the southeast, and it's even moving further north. So spots that typically don't see this type of heat that we see down here, spots like Chicago, St. Louis, they're getting it too. But that heat ridge is also going to allow for some tropical moisture that's off the eastern coast of Georgia to move southward and wrap it around and send it right on over to southeast Louisiana. So the potential for rain and thunderstorms increase Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and that could last through the following weekend. That said, that same area of tropical moisture that I was talking about has a 20% chance of developing into some sort of tropical system. That's a very low chance, and that's over the next 7 days. So we'll see what happens, but right now it's looking like tropical downpours as we work our way into the middle of the work week. Highs still in the mid-90s, heat indices still in the triple digits as well. And then here's that 7-day forecast. A very low rain chances Sunday and Monday due to that heat wave. The heat will be the primary threat. So again, stay hydrated, take those frequent indoor breaks. Lows are going to stick around in the 70s, South Shore a little bit warmer than the North Shore, of course. And then the rain chances slowly increase. I think Wednesday will be the day we get the most rain. Highs will drop to near 90 degrees because of that. And it's going to take us a little bit to warm back up, especially with a 30 to 40% chance of rain Thursday into Friday. And then you look at Saturday, 4th of July. Yes, there's a 40% chance of rain. We'll see how that changes with time, but just keep that rain jacket and umbrella handy.